Hi everyone, and welcome to our complete Bitcoin course for beginners. I'm going to be your instructor. My name is Joe Paris. Hello, how are you? And in this course, I want to teach you how to get started investing in Bitcoin. The most amazing thing about it is you don't have to spend thousands of dollars. You don't even have to really spend hundreds of dollars to get started investing in Bitcoin. And I'm going to show you the steps in the process in a very beginner, easy way to understand. You see, not too long ago, I was hearing about Bitcoin and how exciting it was, and it is so exciting. And Bitcoin and understanding how Bitcoin works has opened up so many more doors for me. And I'm saying that because, well, I'm going to be sharing with you and teaching you in this course, so that's an avenue. But also, I understand that you might be a complete beginner. You might be somebody who doesn't know anything about Bitcoin, and a lot of these experts can talk over your head and be like, oh, this and that, and use these really fancy buzzwords. I promise not to do that in this course. I totally get it. And it was so annoying when I was trying to learn this, trying to learn some of this, terminology and everything else. It's like, no, I just want to put some money and make it into a Bitcoin, and yeah, that's what I wanted to do. So I promise in this course, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to share through my own experience, but also try to keep those buzzwords and some of those things at bay so that you can really just understand this at a very basic beginner level. So throughout our course, that's what I promise. And this course is going to move very quickly. I don't want you spending hours in this course trying to, figure out how this Bitcoin thing works. As you can see right now, I have right around 0.61 Bitcoin, and my account is valued at $4,500 in Bitcoin, and it will fluctuate. I'm going to take some money off. I'm going to move some money around. You're going to see in this course exactly how I've been able to do that, and I'm going to share with you everything that I know in a very basic, easy to understand manner, as I've said. So we're now going to get started. I'm going to show you how to set up a wallet. I'm going to show you how to then transfer money and, turn your cash into Bitcoin. How to then, what's even more important is once Bitcoin goes up, hopefully it does and continues to rise, how to then take the profits and turn it back into cash. It's very, very basic and simple. It's even easier than I even imagined possible. I show you exactly how to do that. I show you all of every kind of ins and out that you really need to know that is not going to overwhelm you. And I'm just really excited to be sharing this with you guys. So if you have any more questions, feel free to drop them below. And also, Udemy is going to be asking you for a review of our course. We always appreciate your feedback on how to make this course better. And if you've really enjoyed the course, we always appreciate your positive feedback as well. Thanks again, and I'll see you in our next video.